Hi everyone, I'm just doing a little intro to the control panel here. The first thing I want to show you is how to get support. So if you just click on your account name, here in the drop-down menu you have access to our support guides, and if you need to send a ticket to our support desk, you just click the link Get Support and fill in the details. Please remember to let us know the name of your website as well. That's really helpful to us. I'm going to start at the bottom with the settings link. This is a pretty important menu. It has lots of submenus, and this is where you would add your metadata. The display options tab has lots of customization features, such as enabling your favorites link, your drip content, some other fields for the member profiles. So it's an important tab to get familiar with. The fine print is where you add your terms and conditions. The messages is where you would add, you could customize the messages that are displayed to members or non-members when they try to access member-only content. The subscription plan page has some details where you can customize the information that you're requiring your members to submit on the subscribe page. The payment processor is where you enter your payment processor, the APIs, and the Stripe secret keys and so forth. And then finally, the integrations is where you have your MailChimp API and your Facebook pixels and Google Analytics tracking ID and so forth. So this is, the settings is an important menu to become familiar with. Your automated emails, these are the emails that are sent to members when they sign up, and to also warn them of soon to be expiring membership if you have a subscription that is non-recurring. So this is very important to fill out as well. We have some reports. And then next is the member manager. So this is where all the details of anyone who signs up will be listed. So if I just click through to one of the members, they have their personal information that's taken on the subscribe page, and then details of their subscription itself. So that's a pretty important menu. This is also, the member manager is also where you would add your member groups to create your subscription levels. You also have your member profiles and an events calendar. Then next we have the store and the different pages to configure your store, to manage your products, to view your orders. Under the generate income, you can sign up for iDev affiliates and create some affiliate tracking. This is where you would create your coupon codes, your redemption codes. The subscription plan, this is where you create your individual subscription plans. The drip content, if you want to offer scheduled drip-fed content, this is where you manage and schedule it. The media manager is where you would upload your files. The same with the file downloads. This is where you would upload your PDFs. Categories, this is where you create your categories. And once you have your categories, then you can start assigning your individual content to the categories. And then finally, you have the homepage editor. And I'll just click through to that. And the homepage editor is where you go. It takes a few seconds to launch, to create your public homepage, your member homepage, and also to set up your navigation. And so your homepage consists of different sections which you can mix and match. The general settings, this is where you might enable a side navigation, where you can upload a Google font, where you set up your color scheme. Here's the menus. This is where you would be creating your navigation. Um, so that's basically the setup of the control panel, and talk to you soon.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a landing page and a newsletter opt-in to your SubHub website. So I've just logged in as admin, and I'm going to head over to the landing pages area. To start a new landing page, click Add a Landing Page. You'll want to take a note of the URL of your landing page. It will always be the website domain name /pages/ the name of your landing page. I'm just going to call mine My Landing Page. Now you can set it as a draft, but I'm just going to save it to publish right away when I'm ready. Now I can add sections to my landing page as I wish, just as I would with a public homepage or a member homepage. And I can add, what do I want? Text and image full. You can add various sections as you like. Okay, and I'm going to publish that. Now I'm going to go over to this landing page that I've been working on, and I'm going to add one more section to it, and that is the opt-in banner section. So I have my primary call to action on this landing page, which is to join the Keeping Love Alive community free for 30 days. But I'd also like to capture contact information to use later on in an email campaign. So I'm going to click Add Sections and add an opt-in banner. And I'm going to edit that. And I can come in here and configure everything that's available. I can change this copy if I want. I'm going to select to receive submission notification as admin so that I will know when someone signs up to this. And if I want my subscribers to receive an email notification that they have successfully subscribed, I need to click the Enable Subscriber Double Opt-in. And I have other configurations here. I can show or hide the various elements in my banner. I can stack the elements or show them in line. And I have some options for on submission. I can either show a success message right on this page or redirect my submitters to a separate URL either on this website or on some other website. I'm going to just use the show message option for now. I'm going to put an exclamation mark there. And we have some other fields that can be configured. We can change the gradient color, the left and the right, to anything we want. If you want this to be a solid color, of course, just use the exact same two colors here. And we can configure the button separately as well. So I'm going to save that. And I'm going to just switch the order here so that my newsletter banner is on the bottom. And let's see how this looks on the front end. So I'm going to log out and I'm going to go straight to my landing page. Okay, and come down to the mailing list, and I think I'm going to sign up as Sally Singh. going to sign up. And I receive my success message there. Now, I'm just going to log back in as admin so we can see the effect of that. If I go into the report section, opt-in report, I will be able to see Sally's sign up. Put in a date range, and there is Sally's sign up. So what I can do here is export the list whenever I want, and then import it into my favorite email marketing program. Well, that is the tutorial on landing page and opt-in banner. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at support@subhub.com.